Okay, let me start our class. You know now how to create a database and how to see all the database in our SQL and how to use the database. This concept we have discussed, and how to create a table also we discussed. Okay, so let me do it practically. I already said just to type MySQL in the command in the search box, or else you can find in the thing also. Okay, 1 minute. So just to click that, I already said MySQL command line client. Okay, so that is the later 8.0 is the latest version. Just try it. Some of them not from your group, from JE, some students said that some problem is there while they are installing. Just notice that if you're having any problem or anything. Okay, just to click that and it will open. Okay, it will ask the password. So once we enter the password, the SQL will be opened. Okay. Just a little bit maximizing the font. Is it little bit okay for your visibility?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now if you want to show, if you want to see all the databases means, what is the thing? What is the command? Hello. Show
Sir,
database.
create database.
Show databases.
Okay, yes, sir.
Show databases you just give, then it will display all the databases. Yesterday we created one database that is called what? NCRT. Okay, now we need to what? Use the database. No, so for that we need to use the command use database. It is getting highlighted what I'm typing for your understanding. Okay, use, what is the name? Database name is what?
NCRT.
NCRT. So semicolon
NCRT.
is very important. So database change. Okay, let me see the table. What are the tables are there? If you want to show the, if you want to see what are the tables are there, what is the command? Show tables. That's what I'm always asking. Keep the note with you. Write it this command. If you want to create database, what is the syntax? If you want to see all the databases, what is the syntax? If you want to change the or use the database means what is the syntax? Okay. If you want to know what are the tables are there in the database means what is the syntax? So please write down it very properly. That will be helpful for you. Or else if you are blinking means you cannot do in the project. I'm not blocking it, yourself you are getting blocked. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so what is the thing? Show tables. That is the command for list out all the tables. Okay, tables. So if we enter means it will show only one. Yesterday, can you remember that we created NCRT one table, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So I forgot
Yes,
that what are the fields I'm given. Suppose, okay, so we want to know what are the fields, what are the data types are there. If I want to know means describe table, DESC. Okay, DESC or describe, any one word we can use it. For short form we will use DESC. Okay, that is describe table. What is the table name? Hello.
NCRT.
Table in NCRT.
Okay, NCRT 1. Okay, NCRT 1 is the table name. Now it is showing the database. What are the things? Serial number, name, mobile number. What's the data type also it is showing. Okay, now today we are going to see that how to insert the data into it. Okay, so how to insert means very simple. Insert, write it, INSERT, right side by side in your note. Don't hesitate or don't, I mean, it is not hesitate. Don't be lazy to write in your note. That is a fact. If you didn't write means, sir, I know, sir, like this you are thinking, then you have to say. I'm not blaming you. If you know, this is basic commands only. You already studied in 11th standard. If you know means, just tell with me, then I can understand you. Why I am making you or forcing you to write a note means you want to memorize these things, or at least you should practice these things. Okay, that much. Because if you have system means definitely you should practice it. Okay, otherwise at least you write means you can. Yesterday Raj Sagar also asked one beautiful question. Sir, I didn't have system. How to do the homework? Very nicely. I was wondering about that. How the student.
Sir, I told that my system is in repair condition, sir.
Okay. That's what. Repair condition, how to do the homework. That means what? Without system, is it not possible to do the homework?
Sir, I'm asking a question, sir. I want to write a note or this thing, sir.
Okay, just for fun. I was wondering about his question. Okay. Insert and what is the thing? Insert table name. Okay. What is the table name?
NCRT 1.
Insert table name NCRT 1 and values 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 of then what are the values? First is serial number, no? So let me give 1. Then next is what? The next is name. Name is it is what is the data type?
String.
String. So let I just give
Worker.
yeah. So I just given the code. That's what I'm coming to tell. Code, the single quote or double quote, we can use it. Okay. Then mobile number, comma. Then mobile number is integer, no? So directly we can give it mobile number. Okay. Likewise, I'm just given. Okay. Okay. Insert table. I made some mistake. Can you find it?
Sir, NCR
Yes, sir.
Ah,
you
great.
left T.
So NCRT க்கு நீங்க T போடல sir.
Yes. That is also wrong. I forgot it because of it. See, you can see how to insert the table. Let you see
Sir, I
insert
think
into. Yeah, insert
table.
into. Of course, command is wrong. Okay, I will just rewrite it. Insert into INSERT. Insert into table name. What is the table name? NCRT 1. NCRT 1.
NCRT 1.
Then values.
Of
Sorry. Yeah, values of. So serial number. I'm just giving 1.
1, comma
And I'm just giving a
1, comma
name. Yeah, name. Then what is the thing? Mobile number, comma mobile number.
சார் நீங்க டபுள் கோட் போட்டுக்கலாம் சார்.
Not an issue.
ஏன் சார்
Quote
சிங்கிள்
also.
கோட் போடுறீங்க?
We can use whatever thing, single quote or double quote.
Oh,
That is not a matter. So like for
okay, sir.
example, I'm just giving example purpose. Okay. So if we insert it means query
சார்
open.
நீங்க ஆஃப் போட்
What?
ஓகே சார், கரெக்ட் தான் சார்.
So syntax, you just try to understand it. Insert into table name. Okay, insert into, that is a keyword. Okay, insert is a what type of operation? We study DML and DDL command. Insert is come under which command? DDL or DML command?
DML.
DML command, manipulation language, data manipulation language. The things only select, insert, update, and delete. These concepts are there. No, these are all the command. No. So insert is a DML command. So I already said that
சார்
whenever
தப்பு சார்.
automatically
இன்சர்ட்
will come
இன்டு
to understand. Yes.
NCRT 1 வேல்யூ.
Values means what are the values we are going to give it. Okay. Or else another one syntax also there. What is the thing? Insert into table name. Then bracket we need to mention the field name. Suppose I don't like to give the mobile number. Then what to do means very simple. I will just try it again. Insert into what is the table name? NCRT 1. Okay, but I don't like to give the what is the thing? Mobile number. So I'm just giving 2. Then
Sir, values missed.
yeah, value is missed. Very good. Value, then values of 2 I'm just giving. Then it tells some name. Hello,
Ramesh.
Ramesh. Okay, so I don't sorry. Yeah, that's what I coming to tell. Insert into value the table name of. Then we need to give the what are the fields we are going to enter. What are the fields? Serial number. We need to what are the fields exactly? We given the name. So SLNO, comma name. Okay. So we have to give then value of. Okay. If we enter like that means then what is the thing? Mobile number will not be entered, but the serial number and name will be entered. Okay. So have you understand how to enter the value into the table or how to enter the record
Yes,
into
sir.
the
Yes,
table?
sir.
Yeah. So if I want to show the record means very simple query, select select all. All means we need to type star, that multiplication symbol, no? So that we
Yes,
have
sir.
to type. Okay, select all from what is the, we should pronounce select star means all.
NCRT 1.
Okay, yeah, from table name. Table name is what? NCRT 1.
NCRT 1.
If we enter means it will just still, you can understand, no? Serial number Raju, mobile number. Second
Yes,
thing
sir.
is Ramesh, we didn't enter the mobile number, that's what is the default value will be taken. Null is a
Null.
default value. Null means it is not empty, it is nothing. Okay, we discuss, no? Null is
Sir,
differ from empty. Yes. Hmm.
sir, if it has to be empty, what should we do in the syntax?
I didn't get it, your question.
Sir, it is there like null, no, sir.
Hmm.
So I should not get that null and it should be empty means what should I do, sir?
That's for example. No. Once again, can you repeat it? It should not be null. Uh,
Yes, sir. It should not be like written as null. It should be empty space there.
Space is
So
there,
what
of
should I do
course.
for it?
That we have to do one thing. For example, if not null, we can assign the value. Suppose instead of null, we want to assign the one space. Okay. If we want to assign a space means, or else default value are there. Okay. For example, where and all we are giving null, what is the default value want to fill? That also we can do it. I understood your question. For example, null should not become instead of some other value. It may be one space. It may be a default phone number. Okay, we can set one default phone number. Wherever we didn't give the phone number, this phone number will be replaced. That is also option is there. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
what is the thing means, while we are creating the table itself, we need to give the default value. Mobile number we created, no? So there itself,
Yes, sir.
we need to describe what is the default value instead of null means. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, good. So today, you know,
Sir, and
hmm,
sir, we cannot insert any worker characters, no, sir, because we have defined as big int.
I didn't get your question. Name only where can,
Sir,
no?
we cannot.
Hmm,
Yes, sir.
hmm,
Mobile number we have given as big int, sir.
hmm.
So we cannot replace the null by any other name or thing, sir. Only number we have to enter, no, sir. Number or space.
I understood. I understood. That is default value. We can give it. We can give. For example, I understood your question.
You
Mobile
also.
number we define in
Sir,
integer.
but
Whether
the data type is big int, no, sir.
yes, data type is belongs to integer. Whether it is possible to give the default value will be a text, phone number not defined, or phone number not given,
Yes,
like
sir.
this you are asking. Yeah, of course we can
Yes,
make.
sir.
It is not related to the data type. Of course, when it is data type is important means whenever we try to insert the data, no, that type only it will check the data type is equal or not. Okay, but we are defining.
Okay,
If
sir.
we didn't define means what is the default value? Instead of null,
Null.
what become? That is the thing. Okay,
Oh, okay, sir.
understood. Good question. Good question, Silvera. Okay, so let me see it. Okay, so this is the way we have to insert the data. Suppose you want to insert a group of data means also same query, insert into. Okay, if you want to all those things, what is the table name? Insert into what is the table name? NCRT 1. Okay,
CRT
then
1
hmm,
values.
values of, we have to mention the normal. For example, let it tell any names. Okay, Raj I just given.
Can
Then mobile number I'm just giving something. Okay, then we have to close the bracket. Suppose again comma, another bracket we have to open. For example, multiple values I'm saying. If you want to record, sir, I want to insert 5 records at a time, sir. How to do? This is the way. Okay, same simple way only. Okay, so again 4 and tell some name. Okay,
Suresh.
Ganesh. Okay,
Chandru, sir. Chandru, what is
next time I will tell it. Okay, Chandru. Okay, then just to type some number. Okay, and last we need to give the semicolon. Okay, we inserted means you can see query. Okay, records two records inserted. Okay, so there is duplicate is 0. Suppose duplicate, it automatically find. We discussed one property, no, of SQL. First thing is what? It avoids the redundancy. Redundancy means what? Repeating the data. It will automatically, it will find. For example, for your case, I'm just typing this one. 1 minute. You can see I'm again I like to insert the Raj. Okay, already it was there. No, again I'm inserting that. You can see this. Okay, now I will tell that. 1 minute. Now, okay, 2 times it is there. That is what it will tell the warning before itself. Now we are joining with the new things. Suppose if you set the serial number as a primary key or name as a primary key or any one field as a primary key means it won't accept. That's the concept. Okay, it won't accept the repeated value. For example, you can see the third line. Raj is there. Again, we are inserting the same data, isn't it? But what is the thing? It will accept because we didn't set the primary key. If the what is the quality or eligibility for primary key? The value should, yeah, the value
It should
should
be
be,
unique and it should
yes,
not be
correct.
duplicate.
So if it is, it should be unique. So it won't accept it. So that's what it is. One of the properties. What it is avoiding the redundancy of data. That is duplicate of data. It won't accept whenever we set the proper key means. For example, that's what name may be two Raj may be there. Employee ID we will take. We already discussed no which may be the primary key. Employee ID is unique. No, Aadhaar number is unique. Phone number may be unique. Okay, for individual person I'm saying. Name it is not mandatory. Two-person may be having the same name. Okay, for our case I'm saying. Okay, likewise we can set the which is unique field that we can set as a primary key. Okay, that we discussed. Okay, let me go to the theory part. Okay, now you know how to insert a record into the table. Okay, and date also. Okay, for example, let me create another one thing. How to insert the date and time. I already said what is the default format. I mean, what is the format for the inserting date? This is for Oracle. MySQL, what is the thing? Year, hyphen month,
Year,
hyphen
month,
date.
and day.
In this way only we have to insert it. Okay, let me create another one table for your understanding. Okay, how to create a table? Can you say the command?
Create.
Create table,
And
table
table
name.
name.
What is the table name? Let me create another one. EMP I'm just creating. Okay, employee is a table name. EMP, then field. What are the fields? EMP ID shall I give? EMP ID
Yes, sir.
integer. Okay, then EMP name, that is employee name, varchar of 20. I'm just giving it. Okay, then
Sir,
what other
that
things?
limitation of that size is optional, sir. That
No, we should
20 and all.
mention. No, we should mention the for
Sir,
varchar.
int you have not mentioned,
In
sir.
integer we no need to mention. It will take defaultly 11 characters. But varchar,
Yes, sir.
why I'm saying means reason is there because integer also we can specify it. Okay, if you are very much particular about the data, we can specify it, not an issue. But what is the thing? It occupies only 11. For example, varchar, what is the limit? 65,535. Yesterday we discussed.
Yes,
No,
sir.
so that much character
Yes,
we
sir.
didn't mention. We should mention no other go. If we didn't mention means it will show the error. Okay, so if suppose in other
Okay, sir.
case, if you are using means it will occupy that much of memory. Then afterwards, varchar will release the rest of the memories also. It will take time taken is more. That's what we are avoiding the time taken. No, so
Yes,
that is
sir.
a good one. Okay, then tell another field
சார்
employee
இங்க சார் மென்ஷனே பண்ணாம விட்டுருக்காங்க சார்.
where
வேர்க்கா 20 போடாம
no we
சும்மா
should
எப்படி
mention. No, we
விட்டுருக்காங்க
should
சார்.
mention. We should mention. And then next
ஓ
employee number, mobile number we already done. Date of birth, that is our concept. How to use the string data. You know how to use the integer, how to use the string, and let me see how to insert the date. That is the date means here the date of birth we will use it. Okay, DOB, date of birth. What is the data type? Date. Hello, have you understand? Date is one of the data type. No, we discussed. No, yeah.
எஸ் சார்.
So if
Yes,
we
sir.
just mention and I just given. Okay, now you can see 1 minute. Now you can see query okay. So it is table as created properly. So let me see. We want to insert the data. How to insert the data? How to insert the data? Tell that.
Set into table
Insert into table name. Table name is EMP.
EMP
EMP of employee ID. What I given? EMD ID.
values you missed.
Okay. See, while I'm typing, I made a mistake. EMP instead of. Okay, not an issue. So we should use the same name only. Okay, let me see. One is the thing, and name is, so it should be a string. So a string means double quotes or single quote. Either we can use any one. Okay, then you tell Chandru we will use. Okay. So then next date is there.
Sir,
No, that's
table
not.
name value should come now, sir.
Yes. Employee name, values. Very good. Values of, we need to give one space. Okay, values of, then we need to give in a quote. What is the order? I mean, what is the format? Chandru, what's your date of
Year
birth? Tell your date of birth, Chandru. 2013,
3.
huh? Okay.
3,
2013,
sir.
that is
Sir,
2000.
3, sir.
Okay. Then month, you didn't say no, that's what I given. Okay, I'm just giving 0.
Month 11, sir.
Okay, let's say I given. Okay, for example, I just
No, no.
given that 2 digits. That is why I'm giving means, even though it is a number 3 means we should mention 03, as you know that. Okay, so it is in the format. So after that, you just give that, close the quote and just give the command. Then that's all. Okay, if you want to see the record, what is the command?
Select
Show
all
table name.
from EMP.
No, show table is only showing the table. Select. Select
Select all.
all. All means what?
Star
Star. From where I want to select? From
EMP.
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 EMP is a table name. Okay. So if you give means it will be inserted. Okay. Have you understand this? How to use the data? I mean date format as well as time also. We should use the same format. That is HH, hour, minute, and hyphen minute, hyphen second. This is the format. Okay. Default one. So that's what we need to. Let me go to the slide.
Yes, sir.
So this you already know it. Okay, inserting that we discussed how to insert and record into the table. This is all basic, And now we are going to use the where condition. Okay, for example, we can retrieve the data. What is the thing? By using the where condition. Okay, so how to use means they are using some. Let me create one table also. We already created one table. For example, Raju. Okay, suppose I want to know. I want to display only Raj. Okay, so select from the table. What is the table? NCRT 1. Okay, select name. What is the name? Name, or else what we can do. If you want to select all means select all from, what is the table name? NCRT. NCRT 1.
NCRT
Where,
1.
yeah, where name equal to. Okay, name equal to Raj. What is it? Raju. Raja.
Select
Raj. Yeah, Raj which is given. So if we give means you can see the Raj detail alone it will show. It won't show all the details. Select all. See, listen the query very carefully. Select all from NCRT. It will select all the fields. All means all the fields. All is mentioning field, that is attributes. Okay. Select all the columns from the NCRT where name equal to Raj. So here how many records are there in our table? 1 Raju, 2 Ramesh, and 3 Raj, 4 Ganesh, and again 3 Raj, isn't it? For example, we given this data, no?
Yes, sir.
So in from that, whose name is Raj, that detail alone I want to see. Okay, from that we can use it. For example, whose mobile number is this one, or whose department? For example, employee means who belongs to this department, student alone I want to know. Okay, for example, we are having a very huge database. Okay, who are all belongs to NCRT, or who are all belongs to commerce group, who are all belongs to NEET group. So likewise, segregate, we can access the data. Okay, by using this command, that is the where command, where class. Okay, it is one of the important class. This is a basic class also. Basic means the sense of wherever we are using, definitely this command will be used. Let me go to the site for detailed understanding. Okay, you can see select all from, you can write down this command also. Select all from EMP. That means all the record, as we discussed. It will display all the fields, all the records. Okay, desired column. I want to know only. Say, let me see the example. I no need to show the mobile number, serial number and name only I want to display. So what is this command? Select. What
Select
is the field name?
serial
Name, comma.
number.
For example, serial number. For example, serial number, comma name.
One name.
from table name. What is the table name?
NCERT.
NCERT 1.
Okay. So if we give means it won't display the mobile number because we asked it to display only what? Serial number and name only.
Name.
Understood? So that is the concept.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me go to the again slide. You can understand. Desired column means desired means required column. I no need to display that columns. Okay. For example, you may have a very huge data type. In user, you want to display. For in Python, I'm saying Python, you want to display a certain columns only from the database, not all the details. Okay. So for that, what is required? The name and the serial number or some details. Which details you want to show to somebody, that details alone, that is that columns alone we can display. Okay, changing the order. That is changing the order means you can see here, this I already know that it's very easy only. Anyhow, I'm saying that. Okay, because it is mentioned as serial number name. I want to display in alternate way. For example, I'm giving select. Okay, mobile number. What is the
Name,
mobile
comma.
number? Field name MOBNO. So we should give the proper
Yes, yes.
field name. Okay, mobile number, comma name. Okay, name from,
Comma, serial number.
for example, let it be, okay, from NCERT. NCERT 1. Suppose if it is a table means you can see the mobile number will come as front. That column will be come in front and name will be goes as a second one. We can alternate the columns. Which column want to display as first? Which column want to be? There is field. Column means field. You already know it. Okay. So based on these things also we can use it. Okay. We understand this one. Changing the order of the column. This is the concept. Okay. Let you go to the distinct keyword. Distinct means it only shows the unique. For example, in this table, they already created the table. It will be easy for you. You can see employee number. First listen the table. Name, department, salary. Okay. Employee number is unique. Okay. Name may be unique. Here in this case, it is unique. Okay. Department, is it unique value? Two sales are there. Two IT department. I mean, two members from IT department. One from HR, like that is there. Salary also may be unique or may not be. That is not a problem. Here, what is the thing? Distinct keyword. You can read this sentence. You can easily understand. Distinct keyword is used to eliminate the duplicate record from output, not in the table. Output, if you want to avoid the repeated data means. Okay. For example, if we select department from employee table, it only display all the departments. Okay, from the table, including duplicate. What are the department? For example, select department from NCERT. Suppose in our case, what it will do? It will for example, our
Print
case,
out-
let me
display
take,
all,
select,
sir.
yeah, select name from NCERT 1. This is if you give the command means what is the command will display. To Raj also will be display, and what is the thing? Ramesh, Rajesh, or some other name, and Ganesh. Okay, so 5 and one more record also there. Chandru, isn't it? Not we didn't insert some whatever thing. So the 5 names will be displayed, including the duplicate another one Raj. Okay, if you want to use the distinct means, you can see the next slide is select distinct name from EMP. Okay, I will show that. You can see, you can understand. So what are the names are there? Raju, Ramesh, Raj, Ganesh, Raj. Okay, two Rajes, Raj are there. Okay, so if you want to use, it is not for a name, it's for department. How many departments are there? Okay, if you want to conclude that avoiding the duplicate data means, let you see select.
Name,
Sorry.
distant.
Sir,
Yeah,
select.
yeah. Select distinct
Distinct.
keyword, DISTINCT. Okay, distinct name. Okay,
Name.
name. Let me say that again. If you want a mobile number also, we can write it. Okay, mobile number. For example, I am just using the name alone. Okay, name from, what is the table name?
NCERT 1.
NCERT 1. Okay, so if we give
Semicolon.
means, yeah, given. Yeah. Okay, now you can see Raj, Ramesh, Raju, Ramesh, Raj, Ganesh. Okay, 4 names are unique. It avoid the one more Raj. Could you understand that? Have you understood? So it
Yes,
will
sir.
avoid the
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
duplicate value. Okay, but what is the thing? It is not suited for the name. For example, department. Many members are working in our one institution means, or any one factory or industry means. Okay, any one person will be one for maintenance. One another person may work in another group of person may work in HR department. Another group of person will work in a civil. Likewise, many departments are there. Okay, so from that, how to segregate? How many departments are there in your offers. Likewise, if anybody asking means we can select this, we can use this command. Select distinct. Distinct means it will show only the unique thing, unique data from the table, sorry, from the column, okay, particular column, which column we mention. For example, name also we want to unique, very simple, distinct department, comma, distinct name. Likewise, we can give it, not an issue. Have you understand what is the, here you can see the output, sales HR IT, sorry, sales IT HR. So these are all the things. Two, one of the sale is omitted and one of the IT also get omitted. So it only shows the, it avoid the duplicate. That is, it avoid the redundancy. Second concept we discussed now, it avoid the duplicate. Okay, by using the primary key, we cannot able to enter the value itself. And second thing, if you want to show only the one time occurred value means, then we can use the distinct keyword. Have you understand this one? Have you understood? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay, let
understood,
me
sir.
go to, yeah, that is very simple calculation. How to do the calculation is without creating the thing, we can easily select 10 into 2 just for multiplication purpose. Okay, I will show to you. For example, 100 divided by 5. Okay, it will show the display just for do the calculation. For example, calculator is there. No, instead of that, we can do, for example, select, we no need to use any table. It is called dummy table. Automatically the table is created, no, two, only one row table. That is, question will be in one row, answer will be in another row. This is called dummy table. Okay, what is the name of the thing is dummy table. Okay, select. For example, if you want to add any number, okay, 0.00 whatever it may be, plus I'm just giving another one. So I just giving point something. Okay, so given enter, if you give means it will show the answer. If you add the two values means we no need to go further. This is a basic operations, arithmetic operations. Let me go to the slide in order to understand it. Okay, we no need to create, that's what the table name is not required. We no need to use it, automatically this table will be created, okay, by the SQL. Okay, so performing simple operation, you know, select from dual, there is dual table. Current date means current date, you can see this, select current date from dual means that is what is the thing, current date. Okay, MySQL also provide dual table to provide the compatibility with other DBMS. Okay, this is dummy table, I already said. The table automatically created by MySQL is dummy table. Okay, we no need to give the name automatically. If the record, if the table is created by the SQL, automatically it will create, that is called as dummy table. Okay, so we can do the basic calculations. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, from dual we can write it. Okay, plus adding the two numbers that we discussed now, for example, calculating, multiplying the numbers. Okay, if you want to total, if you want to make the total mean, that we can do it. That is the basic thing. Okay, this is calculation with table data. Table data means how to use the do the calculation with the table data. Let me create another table for giving the values, then we will do it. You can see, select name, salary, and the salary into 12. That is entire per annum, what is the salary. Okay, so that salary into 12 and annual salary from EMP. Okay, that how to do it. Okay, that we have discussed with the example. You can see how to do means, you can see, select EMP number. Let me create an alias name. Alias name means column name, we are giving an alias column name. Let you see, salary into 12, that is the calculation. Salary is one column is there, with multiply with the 12, then we need to give a name, that is called annual income. Okay, from EMP we are giving alias name for the new column. Let me see that. You will create one employee table, then you can understand it better with it.
So this is temporary, no, sir. It will not be recorded in the table.
Yes, 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 correct. If you want to show the data, for example, suppose anybody is asking what is the salary we need to pay for 1 month, we can calculate it. 12 months, what is the salary we need to pay? If we are asked, I mean, somebody is asked means, if you want to temporarily, we want to calculate means, of course, in Excel means it is okay. If we having database means, it provides that facility also. Okay, let me create a table. We already created one table, no, employee, but it's not in the format. Let me create another. So create table name, we already given, no. Okay, EMP1 I just given, employee 1. So what are the name, and I'm just giving serial number. Okay, and what is the serial number int? Okay, then name I'm just giving name varchar 20 I'm just giving, then salary. Let me add department also for further use. Okay, department. What is the thing? Varchar. Okay, so that we are giving 10. Varchar of 10. Okay, then what is the next thing is salary. Salary integer I'm just giving. Okay, or else we can use float also. It's up to us. So I just we entered it. So table has created. Now we will see the how to insert the record. You already know. Insert into, tell that command. You also get retrieve. No, you will also get memorize. No, insert into what is the table name? EMP1
Employee one
value
value.
values
values of 1 comma is given as
name
what is the thing department we given no CS
department
suppose 1 minute CS then for example salary let me
salary
just an integer only no so let me give 10,000 for example I given 1 lakh okay so what is it 10,000 I just given okay then we are adding another one value also okay same thing to
Yeah, like 10,000.
okay
Hi.
okay so we enter the data into it okay that's all so now we need to display calculate the salary let me do it select what is the thing
salary
we'll do select name comma salary comma then we need to you can see this how to do the create the another one you can see salary name salary into 12 for example if you want to calculate for 12 months means okay let you see this salary into for example 12 as is the alias name. We are giving another name in the double in the single quote you can see this
annual income
okay we need to give in a quote okay for example we just given per annum I'm giving we should not use space okay that is very one of the condition okay as per annum then what is the thing from what is the table emp1 no emp
emp1
okay good
EMP.
yes so if we just enter means it will create that see, you can see name is there per annum there is no we didn't create actually in the real table okay so it will create that the details also it will calculate for example what is the thing Raj salary what we given 10,000 no 10 into 12 that is 1,20,000 isn't it sorry 12 lakhs will be I think we given 1 lakh I think so okay
1
whatever
lakh sir. நீங்க
yeah
1 lakh போட்டிருக்கீங்க.
okay okay so for Ganesh we entered what is the thing something 20,000 we entered so 24 2 lakh 40,000 we got it okay so it is a temporarily we can do the calculation okay but from the table this is already the data is the salary should be in our table okay you can see the salary we already given it is there but we with that salary we can do the calculation we want to reduce 10 percentage or add 10, for example increment and all if you want to add 20% increase hike we need to give means we can add all the values okay for example salary plus what is the 20% salary like this we can use the formula then we can update it for example the companies and all they are doing like that yearly increment or deducting the any loans or anything okay loan they may deduct if they are getting the any advance payment means okay so that concept and all we can easily do in the SQL okay that is the concept have you understand this but I will show the slide. You can get
Yes.
this. Yeah, alias name we can give it. That is column name is permanent. Okay, with that column we are doing certain manipulation on over the data. That is with adding or subtraction or whatever it may be. Okay, so that we are giving an alias name also. You can see the alias name what we given per annum we given. Okay, so that will be displayed as a column. There is field name. Okay, if we go to the slide, you can understand it. Have you understood this one?
yes
Yes
sir
sir.
understood sir.
The concept. Okay. and null. That's the
sir.
thing. For example, yeah, yes. Somebody's try to ask something. Yes, ma'am. I'm waiting. Someone asked the question.
No, sir. I said yes, sir.
Okay.
I understood.
Sir, yes. Okay, okay. Let me continue. Okay. Handling null. Suppose, Selvaram, I hope you understand. You asked the question, one question, isn't it? If
Yes,
it
sir.
is null is there, but instead of null, some other value if you want to the display. Okay, that is you can see. You can from the above table you can easily understand. You can see this employee number, name, department, salary. So for Shaban HR department, salary is not allotted. That is not assigned. Okay. So default value is what? Null will be taken. Correct? No. So here, if you want to display, you can see this. We are creating the thing. Employee number. We asking. See the query. The command. Select employee number, name, and if null means we are giving the condition. If null, if it is there means salary. Where it, the null want to be there in salary column, the value is null means what is the else part? I think here what is the rename want to be found, not assigned. That
Not assigned.
Not as
that value
assigned.
want to display. Okay, for from EMP, that is from which table. Okay, that is the concept. Have you understand this one?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
there the field name is if null, no, sir.
Of course.
Why it is there?
No. This is the we can because it is a temporary one. For example, I understood your question. Here, if
Yes,
but
sir.
one more thing is there that I want to tell it. Upcoming slide you can understand. Here, instead of suppose we
Yes.
didn't give the null means automatically one value want to be taken. That is called default. Okay, default value we can create at the time of creation of table. Okay,
Yes, sir.
upcoming slides you can think. But suppose in this thing null is there, but instead of some other value want to come. Okay, so for that purpose we can do this by using the if null condition. Have you understood this one? Rest of students, they all understood now?
Yes, sir.
Handling with null data is there already. It is there in the table. Okay, I don't like to display the value null. Instead of some other value you want to display, there is no restriction. Actually salary is in the form of integer, no? So even though we can assign the text, there is not assign is a text, there is a nesting, no? So we can assign whatever thing. He is a newly joined, salary is not fixed. Likewise we can take whatever the message want to display, that message we can give in the else part. Else part means not else word and all not there. You can see if null, where salary, in the salary column if null is there means not assign that value. That is a statement. That is a printable message. That message you want to display. That is the concept. Okay, have you understand? But there is no restriction in the salary, even though it is an integer data type. We can use the another thing. That's what we discussed. Okay, so this you already know that. Okay, putting the queries, that is a text. How to in the query output you can see. For example, we display the salary. No, later I will show the previous one. Okay, for example, salary is there 8,000, 9,000. But if you want to add what is the thing, uh, RS, that is a rupees, no, or else rupees symbol also there, no, nowadays. So that symbol, of course, if you are having in your keyboard means you can type it, but it is not in my keyboard. Okay, so if you want to add that one, or if you want to add, for example, percentage. For example, this much percentage you are getting, percentage symbol, automatically it won't come. Whenever we are feeding the data, it is possible. Suppose I want to, for example, salary, what is the data type we given? Integer. So we can only insert the integer. But I like to display RS before the word. It will be some adding some meaningful or somewhat. If it is good means, then you can use this. Let I show this. You can see SQL allows to put user defined symbol or text. That is anything we can use it. Okay, likewise they given the RS or percentage symbol. Okay, how to do this means you can see select name, that is select all from we can if you want to display all the records means select all, and better it is not all, we have to mention the column name comma department comma, for example, RS we should given in the quote. Okay, RS or percentage whatever thing where it want to come comma salary from EMP. Okay, so what will happen, you can see in these things RS will be added. You can see this is the proper select name concat RS salary from EMP. Okay, let me do it 1 minute.
Sir, if you want to insert after salary means it come after that salary order, sir.
The salary, then I will show that. Yeah. For example, let me do in a practical way. What is the table? Table, I forgot it. What is the table name we created? The last one is EMP1. EMP1.
EMP1.
Okay. Shall we just do it? Select name. Sorry. Name and concat. Here I am just showing you. You can see the concat. It is one of the string function. Of course, last in the chapter it was there. Okay. String functions, numerical functions. Okay. So in these things is one of the function. Concatenation we discussed now in Python. Likewise here concat. Okay. Let it go here. Okay. Concat of what is the thing? Actually, I want to add this string. Suppose rs. Okay. Then comma. Then what is the next thing? Salary. That is a field name. No.
Salary.
Salary. Then from what is the
EMP1.
yeah EMP1 table name is EMP1. If we give means you can see. Of course, we need to give one space also if you want to means. You can see Raj is 1 lakh.
Sir, concatenate, sir.
Concat. You know, concat means adding the two text, two data.
Oh,
Okay. Concatenation we discussed.
okay,
No?
sir.
But actually, it is
Yes, sir.
happened
Yes,
in
sir.
Python. It is different case. String plus string only we can add. Integer plus integer means it is doing the addition. Addition is different. Concatenation is different. But string concatenation, string replication we discussed. No. In that Python, I'm
Yes,
saying.
sir.
Likewise,
Yes, sir.
here concat one function is there in the SQL. Okay. See, rupees will be added. If I want to add percentage means very simple. Now you can see that salary comma, for example, commission. If suppose one field is there means commission comma, then what is the thing in the single quote or double quote? We need to mention the percentage symbol. There is a text to know, so we can mention like that. Then that value also will be added. For example, 10%, 20%. While we are displaying, it will be easy to see that. Okay. If you give one space means RS space 10,000. Sorry, 1 lakh will be come. Okay. We understand this one. How to use
Yes,
the
sir.
concat
Yes.
operator? Yeah, concat operator. This is one of the function. Again, we will discuss the same function at the end of the chapter also. That is, it's come under the string functions. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, children, I hope you understand today's. We discussed how to create a table, how to insert a single value and multiple values, how to do the simple calculations, and how to do the manipulation on over the existing column, existing field in the table, and with the new name in the column name, and how to do the concatenation, that is adding a specific string into the field name that we discussed, isn't it? Are we are clear?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, children. Okay. See you to all. Tomorrow we'll see it.
Nice.
Have a good day, sir.
Yes.